Quick Reference Guides by TeachUcomp, Incorporated. Designed with the busy professional in mind, our quick reference guides provide essential step-by-step instructions in today's most popular software applications. When you need an answer fast, we've got you covered. The most important skills right where you need them. Quick reference guides save time and increase efficiency by providing fast answers to quick questions. All the essential instructions you need right at your fingertips. Our guides are built to last. Printed in full color and laminated for protection and durability, our guides are spill-proof, scratch, and stain-resistant. Use them over and over again while they stay looking brand new. We carefully selected the most essential topics and assembled them into a simple, professional design. Lessons are logically grouped to make them easy to locate. Meticulously designed, they look great too. You can trust the TeachUcomp brand of software training products. We've been teaching people how to use their software since 2001. We're a team of software training professionals, and we love what we do. Pick up a copy of your favorite quick reference guide today.